Hey everybody, I just thought I'd pop on here really quick. We had Shop Small Saturday, our event, annual event today, and we were crazy busy. And I had a lot of people coming in who were really stressed out from the holiday already. You know, whether it was family stuff, shopping stuff, all the crazy schedules, trying to keep up with it all. And a lot of them, quite a few, were complaining of tension headaches and just general tightness. No, I need to come back and have a massage and that kind of stuff. So a couple of them we popped on the massage chair for a quick chair massage, and that helped a lot. But you know, at home you can't do that. So I want to show you a couple things that you can do, or one step we'll do today that you can do. It's just a trigger point therapy technique. So what is trigger point therapy? Trigger point therapy is the act of getting the muscle to relax through pressure. Basically, I'm simplifying. But your muscles are meant to, throughout our movements all day, to lengthen and contract, lengthen and contract. But when we do things, we have muscle imbalances in strength or flexibility, or we sit all day, or we do things over and over and over and over again, we create these imbalances. And often the muscle will go into the state of contraction, and this can happen in the state. It could be stress causing it, just like in your neck, which is what I'm going to address. And it'll stay there, and it'll get stuck there. And then you'll have these little adhesions and things that need to be broken up with a massage and flexibility and this, that, and the other thing. So it's really common to happen in all areas. One of the best examples, though, is when people sit all day in a chair for any reason, and especially desk jobs and whatnot. But when you sit all day, you're changing the position and the way that the muscle is. It's not getting a chance to lengthen and contract, and stay healthy. And what happens is it actually shortens over time completely. So, and then you start to have hip issues, the hips externally rotate, then you have lower back issues, or vice versa, and so on. So today, though, I want to talk about just something so simple. Your headache or your tension that's happening for whatever reason. So there are several steps to really do a full trigger point therapy treatment. However, this is something super simple at home. Just take your 2 fingers on both hands, go back. You're going to feel the middle of your spine. You don't want to be in the middle of your spine. You're not going to push there. You're going to slide them forward. You can kind of see as I turn that shadow there. Okay, you're going to have like a little divot, like a little indentation a little bit there. And that's where you can feel, if you push around, you'll feel muscle if you do that. So the body loves, your nerves will love light pressure. And for light pressure in that area of the muscle where it's tightened and perhaps developed some adhesions, the light pressure tells the body, oh, this feels good. So the body relaxes the muscle fibers and relaxes the muscle in that area. So just doing light pressure, you don't always have to dig, has an effect that's positive. And then doing deeper pressure and just holding it. You don't have to rub it around, though. That feels good, and you can do that too. But just holding in that and doing the trigger point, that then tells the body, without too much pain, that tells the body to release pain-relieving endorphins to the area. And those two, the light and then the deeper, and then you can do the light again if you want, but you can play with that. But having your fingers on that little belly of the muscle, if you will, that area of the muscle that contracts and has gotten a little bit stuck, will help relieve a lot of tension in the neck and ultimately headaches and some stress. Just taking 3 minutes to do this for yourself is stress relieving unto itself. So take some deep breaths with it. The other thing you can do, or I recommend, is when you're doing this, you can see I'm sitting in a chair that has a nice back to it, a headrest. So rest your head before you do it so that your head is not pushing back on what you're doing. So if you would rest your head and get into like a neutral position, then do it. You can do this laying down, sofa, bed, floor, and there's your tip for the day. So I hope that helps relieve a little bit of tension and loosen up the neck a little bit. You know, it's a stressful season for some people. Try to find the joy in it. Try to find the happy and the positive as we go forward, and don't get caught up in the little stuff. That's my best advice. So anyway, we'll see you here next week. Stay tuned for the Cyber Monday deals. They will come out tomorrow in your inbox, in your email. Thanks.